Hey everybody, we were sitting in the house today, wanted to do something, so we decided to go exploring a little bit, and we're going to check out a place called Wolf Rock Cave. So come along with us.
Wolf Rock Cave is the only known cave in Louisiana and is located outside of Leesville, Louisiana. The cave has been used as a rock shelter for many early travelers, Native Americans, and animals. Legend has it that two young pioneer boys found the cave while fishing. The boys heard whimpering coming from the cave, so they went in to investigate and found wolf pups, giving the cave the name Wolf Rock Cave. Unfortunately, it was determined the cave was too dangerous, so National Forest Rangers used explosives to seal the back two large rooms so no one would get trapped. The cave is very easy to find, has parking, and is only a short walk from the parking area. Be sure to be dressed for a hike. Even though this hike is not long, it is still in a rugged, wooded area with uneven surfaces.
What you gonna see over here, Slayton?
Cave. Okay, I see. Some trees,
A bunch of
maybe some leaves.
them. A couple of them. Oh, spider. That devil. Alright, this is it. A long time ago, the Indians used this. I don't know if it was just when they were passing through or they lived here. But it's a pretty good little cave. I'm gonna fall here. I imagine over time it was used more than just Indians staying in it. I imagine a couple of animals just lived in here. And it actually goes back pretty far. We've been in here a while back.
You gonna go in?
I might. I'm gonna need a light.
It has a light on it. Or you can do night vision in it.
Let's do night vision. Let's try that out. How do you do that?
Turn it off.
Turn it off. Alright, now we got it on night vision. We'll go in this cave a little bit and see what it looks like. You coming, Slayton? Come on. For a little bit anyway. not mistaken, it goes down to the left. And then it goes back a little bit further. Got the GoPro? Pretty cool, though. Who is that?
To me.
Me. How you doing, me?
Okay.
Alright. We're gonna go back out here and get some footage on the outside. Let's go. Now, this would have been a good spot. They had water. I imagine they catch small fish.
Honey,
Yes.
you gonna learn?
Don't
Don't walk backwards.
Not breaking the camera. Yep. There's a hoe.
And it keeps going up. That's a tall hill.
Yeah, I just ran up it.
And we are now on top of the cave. And there is an exit. Look. It goes down into the cave. It's marked with a paper.
Here you can see where they had, I guess you could say posts, you can call it posts. Maybe helped hold this up at one time. Now, one time this might have stuck further out, but you can definitely see maybe where they had pulled posts at one time. There's the other two.
What'd he say?
He says he's not gonna read the sign, but he's just gonna see what it says.
Smack you talking over here?
What'd he say?
Honey?
Yeah.
You weren't going to read the sign, but you were just going to see what it says?
Yeah, something like that. You know what I mean. I wasn't going to read the whole thing. Okay, the sign back there that I said I wasn't going to read, but I read a little bit. It was like, I think it was 2,500 to 1,000 years BC. And they did have people that would live here for periods of time. So you had your occasional pass-throughers, I guess you want to call it, and people that actually stayed here for periods of time. So it's pretty cool. They found a bunch of different tools and different artifacts, arrowheads, stuff like that.
Since we were still in Kisatchie National Forest, we decided to have a little more fun with one of our favorite pastimes.
What are we doing?
We're going geocaching.
Okay. What's it say?
It's saying the bridge is out. Well, this is a premium member. You have to be a premium.
Oh, you got a stick?
Oh, look, I see it.
Yeah, it's on here.
It's right there. Watch for snakes, Bubba.
Probably can get it on the way in.
Can you go around? Careful. Bring it up.
Open it up. Let's see what's in there.
Okay. Fine, you're gonna put it back. So,
How far?
it says 0.2 miles. He's looking for a geocache. I have shorts on and Slayton has shorts on, which is why we are not joining him. You found it? Where's he at? Careful.
They messed up when they built that. They missed the spot.
What do you mean they missed the spot? Oh. It was just the fun of finding it.
Got to find where to put it back.
Thank you for watching. We had a great time exploring Wolf Rock Cave and Kisatchie National Forest. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And also, make sure you click that bell so you get notifications of new videos to come. Have a blessed day and get outdoors and enjoy.